This here is a Casablanca Four Seasons in polished brass from June of 1982. The blade brackets on this fan are a bit tarnished, but it's not that big of a deal. And this fan, you've probably already noticed, does have logo tip blades. Basically what that is they're just like normal Casablanca blades, except on each blade end the Casablanca logo is displayed. And you're probably thinking, oh boy, not another Four Seasons. This is only, what, the 10th one you videotaped? And yes, you'd be right, I do videotape a lot of Four Seasons, but hey, at least this one has something original about it. It has logo tip blades, as this is the first logo tip bladed Casablanca fan I have ever gotten my hands on. Anyway, so now we'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan, starting off with minimum speed. And with how many Four Seasons I've videotaped at this point, expecting videos of Four Seasons to stop anytime soon, you're way in over your head. There will be infinite number of videos of these fans on my channel, probably until the end of my days on YouTube. So this is as slow as it can go. And on this particular model, it is pretty slow, as minimum speeds on SQ can vary. Some of them are slightly faster, others are slightly slower. And this one is definitely one of the slower ones. And especially since it has the smaller 38-inch blades on it right now, as it would obviously go even slower if it had the larger size blades on it, 48-inch. We'll bump it up a little bit. And this ceiling fan has that bar smell to it, kind of like alcohol and nicotine type smell, which some people might be bothered by, but I personally like the smell, to be honest. The first Casablanca fan I ever acquired, which was actually another polished brass Four Seasons, except that one was in Teletouch. That one smelled exactly like this fan does, so it kind of brings back memories for me. Also, there's a local pub in our town that kind of has this smell about it, so you know, it's just kind of nostalgia for me. And if you were to throw a schoolhouse globe on this fan, this would be, you know, the perfect contender for one of those fans that would be in, you know, one of those wood-paneled 70s bars. And the fan is well balanced. The bearings are pretty much silent. And the motor is also silent, which is all nice. As I've said before, sometimes SQ does still emit an ever so slight hum, but that is not the case with this one. This one is still completely silent, which is awesome. And that's almost full speed. And then full speed. And this fan moves very fast with the small blades, as is pretty typical for Four Seasons with small blades. Thing rips and blows tons of air. And all of the air that it is blowing does have that faint bar smell to it, which, again, I absolutely love. Brings back memories of going to that local pub in both recent years and when I was a little kid. And also back to that first Casablanca fan I ever got. You might remember videos of that first Four Seasons I ever got. It had an RMM1 IT board that was extremely flaky, and I'm still yet to replace the board in that fan. I'll get to it someday, but IT boards are expensive, so yeah, it's been on hold for a while now. And the tassel's blown around in the wind. And there you go. This is a Casablanca Four Seasons from 1982 with logo tip blades.